Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Jamaica's Reggae Boys will look to close out the second round of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers with victory over Guatemala in their top-of-the-table Group E clash at the National Stadium this evening starting at 6. Jamaica are lying in second in the group on 9 points, the same as leaders Guatemala, who are atop on goal difference. Both teams are already assured of their spots in the third and final round. Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren explained how they'll approach this evening's clash against the Guatemalans.
About tomorrow, it's about winning here. It's about winning here, and it's about scoring goals here. You know, that's my next goal, my next milestone is, you know, to make this a place where people don't want to come. To do that, we have to win games here. To win games, we have to score goals here, and we haven't done enough of both of them.
McLaren also says he needs more from his squad.
We need more goals from around. We scored one from the set play. So front players, wide players, midfield players need to contribute more. Otherwise, we're not going to win football matches, and we're going to see inconsistent results.
The top two teams from the 6 groups in the second round advance to the third and final round of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, where they'll contest 3 groups of 4, from which the group winners will advance directly to the 2026 FIFA World Cup, to be hosted jointly by the USA, Mexico, and Canada. Cavalier FC Technical Director Rudolph Speed is describing Monday's draw of his team in Group B of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup as the group of death. The group has Cibao FC of the Dominican Republic, Defense Force of Trinidad and Tobago, Juventus de Caes of Haiti, and the still-to-be-confirmed runner-up from the CFU Club Shield.
Yeah, well, it's an interesting draw. I noticed that all the winners are in the B group. All the winners of their respective league are in the Group B, which is by itself, and all the runners-up is in the other group except for Robin Hood. So that's significant by itself. So I think we're in the zone of death, but we wouldn't have it any other way.
Meanwhile, JPL beaten finalists Mount Pleasant FA have been drawn in Group A alongside Robin Hood, O&M FC, Central FC, and the CFU Club Shield champions. Sporting Director at Mount Pleasant FA, Paul Christie, explained the importance of the competition to Mount Pleasant's long-term strategic plan.
We can make a deep run into CONCACAF so that we can benefit from both the exposure and the financial gains that this competition, this prestigious competition, would have offered. This is the only platform of its kind in this section of the world, so we understand and we are aware, and we have been preparing for it, and we are happy that we are a part of it.
The group stage of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup will run from August 19 to 21. In the meantime, Arnett Gardens will be in Group D of the CONCACAF Club Shield competition. The CONCACAF Club Shield competition runs from July 26 to August 3 in Trinidad and Tobago. The West Indies will look to end their torrid tour of England on a positive note as they hunt their first win on their 6-match limited overs tour with the third and final T20 International in Southampton this afternoon. The winners have won just one of their last 8 T20 series away from home, but have not been whitewashed 3-0 since their trip to India back in 2022. It's a less than ideal start to life as the new T20 captain for Shea Hope, but head coach Darren Sammy believes his job is being made harder.
He brings his leadership through performance as well. Like you said, he's been very consistent, very calm under pressure. You wouldn't know by the expression on his face. My job as a coach is to help him be as tactical as possible. But like I said earlier, your team is as good as what you have, you know, and I mean, his players got to back him as well, and you know, when you get a chance to execute, it's all key.
And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.